finished product. Unos wings, crispy. Alright guys, welcome back. We're gonna make some smoked chicken wings. Look. So what we're gonna do right here, I got 2. We're gonna cut them up into party wings, and then we're gonna season them up and we're gonna throw them on the smoker. So let me cut these open and try them real quick. So I'll be back with you guys. Alright, so this is what you guys are gonna wanna do. Get your whole wing and cut it into 3 pieces like this. This one, you can use it on some stuff, but we're not. We're gonna trash this, and this is what we're looking for. So we're gonna do that to all these other wings right here. So let me go ahead and do that. But when you cut them and you have them like this, you want to pat them dry with some napkins and then throw them into your bowl so we can season them. So let me go ahead and do all that, and then I'll be back with you guys right now to show you the finished product with them cut, and then we'll come back and see. Alright, as you guys can see, we cut them up. We dapped them with the towel. Now I'm gonna I don't have olive oil, but I have spray, so I'm gonna spray them. Mix them in. Get it all in there. That should be good. Let me mix them up. And now we're gonna put seasoning, but I don't think this is enough. So I'll use this. And then put seasoning in there. Go ahead and open it. I don't know. We're gonna try this one out. The gospel. It's all-purpose roux. So I'm gonna twist the cap back on there. And then we're gonna put them all on here, mix them up, let them sit for like 10-15 minutes while the smoker gets up to temp. We're gonna put the smoker at 400 degrees and put the wings on for 30 minutes, and then go back and put them on for another 20 minutes and take them off, and they should be ready. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a lot. Yeah, so let me go ahead and do this so I can use 2 hands, and then I'll come back with you guys when they're all seasoned. Alright, this is how I season them up, like that. Now we're gonna wait for the smoker to get to temp at 400 degrees, and then we're gonna put these out evenly on the smoker. Leave them on there for 30 minutes, go back out, flip them, and put them for another 20, and they should be ready. So let's let this sit, and then once my smoker hits, I'll come back with you guys, and then we'll go put them on. Alright, now the grill's at 400. I don't know if you can see over there. We're gonna start putting these on. See if they all fit. Oh yeah. Son muchos. Oh yeah. Muchos wings. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Put them where they fit, but just make sure they got enough space. Look at that. Oh yeah. now you can see that. We're gonna put them on there for 30 minutes and then we'll come back at the 30-minute mark to flip them. So I'll see you guys. Alright, we're back at the 30-minute mark. Let's see. Time to flip. Yee, some of them are turning. Oh! And that's the finished product. Unos wings crispy. Ah, shit. Y nos vemos a la otra.